Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this forex trading platform, which is IronFX. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about IronFX, IronFX is a global forex and CFD broker that attracts traders with tight spread, multiple trading platforms, and a wide range of instruments including forex, metal, and cryptocurrencies. It offers MetaTrader 4 and 5, flexible account type, and 24/5 multilingual support, which make it appealing for both beginner and professional. However, ForeX has mixed review regarding withdrawal delay and customer support consistency. While it's regulated and offers a solid trading tools, users should approach with caution and test with small deposit first. So in conclusion, IronFX can be useful for experienced traders, but isn't the most beginner-friendly option. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.